welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find and recover deleted listings in Facebook Marketplace. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you open your Facebook app and go to the marketplace section, you can find different kind of items that are being sold. So once you are here, you can simply tap on the profile like icon and go to your listings to check out all your listings that are currently available. However, unfortunately, deleted Facebook listings like Facebook Marketplace listings are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Once a listing is deleted, it's gone for good. Facebook does not have a recovery option for your deleted listings, and like there are no trash bin or recovery bins like that, and that's why you need to confirm before deleting it. Facebook prompts you twice to confirm before deleting a listing, making it unlikely to be accidental deletion. So the thing is, you cannot find and recover deleted listings in Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.